Let's learn about matrix factorization. Dimensionality reduction, matrix factorization. It is one of the model-based approach in recommendation system. Matrix factorization is a mathematical approach used to decompose a given matrix into a product of two or more smaller matrices whose multiplication approximates the original. It's widely used in recommendation systems, Netflix, Amazon, YouTube. Dimensionality reduction. Collaborative filtering. What is matrix factorization? Matrix factorization approximates a matrix A, M times N, as a product of two or more smaller matrices. A equal to WH, where A represents the original matrix, example, a user item rating matrix in a recommender system. W represents a matrix of size M times K, representing the feature matrix. Each row of corresponds to the latent features of the rows of. H represents a matrix of size K times N, representing the coefficient matrix. Each column of corresponds to the latent features of the columns of. K represents a hyperparameter denoting the number of latent dimensions, reduced dimensionality. K controls the number of features in the reduced representation. Small k represents simpler model, faster computation. Large K represents more accurate approximation but risks overfitting and increases computation. Why factorize? Matrix factorization is used to break a large and complex matrix into smaller, more meaningful matrices. This process helps in simplifying data while preserving the most important information. The first major reason for factorization is dimensionality reduction. Instead of storing all M times N values of the original matrix A, we only store two smaller matrices of sizes M times K and K times N. This significantly reduces memory usage and speeds up computation. The second reason is pattern discovery. Matrix factorization helps reveal hidden relationships between the rows and columns of the matrix. These hidden patterns are often called latent features, which describe the underlying structure of the data. Another important application is prediction. By multiplying the factor matrices W and H, we can reconstruct the original matrix and estimate missing values. This is especially useful in recommendation systems and in complete datasets. The goal of matrix factorization is to find matrices W and H such that the reconstruction error is minimized while satisfying certain constraints. The value of K plays a crucial role in this process. A small k results in a simpler model and faster computation, but may lose some accuracy. A large K captures more details and improves reconstruction accuracy, but increases computation time and may lead to overfitting. How the matrix factorization works. Input data. Start with a data matrix A, M times N, where rows represent data points, example, users, samples. Columns represent features, example, items, variables. Decompose the matrix, break A into W and H using algorithms such as singular value decomposition, SVD. Principal component analysis, PCA, as a form of factorization. Non-negative matrix factorization, NMF. Reconstruct the data, approximate A using W and H, retaining only the most significant components. Dimensionality reduction. Use W or H to represent the data in a reduced k-dimensional space. Applications of matrix factorization. Recommender systems. Predict user preferences for items by learning latent features of users and items. Example, Netflix uses matrix factorization to recommend movies based on user ratings. Dimensionality reduction. Reduce the size of data while retaining meaningful information. Example, Principal Component Analysis, PCA, is a form of matrix factorization. Image compression. Compress images by approximating pixel intensity matrices. Advantages of matrix factorization. Efficiency reduces the computational cost of working with high-dimensional data. Noise reduction removes irrelevant or noisy features, focusing on significant patterns. Interpretability latent features can often represent meaningful patterns or groups.